Newton's first law states that all bodies continue in a state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by some external force. A sprinter will not move from the blocks until his legs exert force against them. The sprinter will move continuously despite the force of friction acting upon his acceleration.
Newton's second law, the acceleration of a body is proportional to the force causing it and takes place in the direction the force acts. How the theory relates to track. A sprinter's acceleration from the blocks is proportional to the force exerted against the blocks. The greater the force exerted, the greater will be the acceleration away from the blocks.
Third law states to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This theory relates to running because the runner exerts a force against the ground. This creates an equal and opposite reaction force which moves the body over the ground. The shot put is a projectile. The definition of a projectile is any object that once projected or dropped continues in motion by its own inertia and is influenced only by the downward force of gravity. The shot put that is seen in the video weighs 8 pounds and the mass is 4 kilograms. The velocity is 0.38 meters per second. The acceleration is 0.3 meters per second squared. The work is 0.88 joules, and the momentum is 1.52 kilograms times meters per second. Acceleration is the rate of any change of velocity of an object. Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces. Sliding
Inertia is the resistance of any physical object to any change in its state of motion. Example, inertia of a shot put is heavier than a basketball. Gravity, the force that attracts sliding towards the center of the earth or toward any other physical object having mass.